Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. Plus we've got some new glitches to talk about as well. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to start off with a quick friendly reminder. I have already uploaded the new Dollar General clearance markdowns and penny list video, and then we also have a quick little run glitch going on this morning. So if you've missed out on either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're both going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And y'all make sure that you stay tuned, because I have a really awesome video coming up first thing tomorrow morning, where we are going to be talking about everything involving Dollar General cashback offers. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. Up next, we have some exclusive coupons, so you may or may not have these on your account. We have a 3 off 1 for the Downy Gain and Drift scent beads. So if you have this one, the best deal with this coupon, if you want to pick up the Downy scent beads, they're priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. But this coupon is also working on the Gain scent beads that are priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Right below that one, we have a 150 off 1 for the Bounce, Gain, or Downy dryer sheets. So if you want to pick up the Gain dryer sheets, it's the 105 count. That would be the best deal on those. They're priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Moving on down, we have a new 2 off 1 for our Gain laundry products. So again, just be aware of those exclusive coupons. Double check your account to see if you have any higher value coupons for those products. But if you don't have the exclusive coupons, these products are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Moving on down, we have a 1 off 1 for the Oral-B toothbrushes. So if you want to pick up the Color Collection toothbrush 1 count, those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Oral-B Bright and Clean 1 count toothbrushes. Those are priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. So definitely clip that one to your account. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Scott bath tissue. So if you want to pick up the 6 count, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. If you want to pick up the 12 count, those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And keep in mind, we still have instant savings for when you spend $16 on Scott brand products, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. Moving on down, another really good deal, 4 off 1 for the Bic razors. You can pick up the men's or the women's. These start out at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Right next to that, we have a 3 off 1 for our Gain products. Those are priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. And again, be aware of some exclusive coupons, because we do still have that $3.50 off 1 on the Gain Fling. Alright, next up we have Colgate Tide Simply. We have a 3 off 1 for the Chic Women's Disposable Razors. These are on sale this week for $4.85. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. So that's going to be a hot ticket item. Moving on down, we have some Dove coupons. We have a 1 off 1 for the Dove and Tresemme products. I'm going to skip on clipping this one for now, because we do have some higher value coupons, such as the 5 off 3 for the Tresemme products. And then we have this higher value Dove coupon right next to it. It's 2 off 1 for the Dove body wash. Now, if you want to use the 2 off 1, pick up the men's body wash. They're priced at $5.50. We also have a 1 off 1 DG store coupon for the Dove men's products. So that's going to leave you paying $2.50, which is another fantastic deal. Alright, next up we've got a new 2 off 1 for our Swiffer products. Now this coupon does work on the wet mopping cloth refills as well as the duster starter kits. So those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And keep in mind, last week we received that 2 off 10 back to school DG store coupon, and that was working with a lot of the Swiffer products. Next up, we have 2 3 off 1 digital coupons for the Downy products. So those are priced at $12.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. Moving on down, we have a 2 off 1 for the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. We also have a 4 off 1 for the Chic Intuition razors. Those are priced at $8.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. Next up, another really good deal, 3 off 1 for the Febreze fabric sprays. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Moving on down, 1 off 1 for the Cottonelle. If you want to pick up the 4-count mega rolls, those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. And then we have the 2 off 1 for the Downy products. Now I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now because we do have those higher value 3 off 1 digital coupons for the Downy Rinse and Refresh and the Scent Bead. Next up, we have the 3 off 6 on the Caesar Simply Crafted wet dog food trays. We do have a higher value coupon in last week's inserts. I believe it was a 2 off 3. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one as well. Next up, Stem, $7.50 off 2. So those are priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50 for 2. Next up, 3 off 1 for the Chic men's disposable razors. Those are also priced at $4.85 this week. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. We have a new 4 off 1 for the Airwick scented oil refills. So these start out at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Next up, 75 cents off for the Lysol disinfecting wipes. So these start out at $5.75, but this coupon is glitching and it is working on the travel size Lysol wipes. I believe it's a 15 count in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those, use this digital coupon, and that's going to be paying 25 cents. 1 off 3 for the Bubbly 8 packs. And a 4 off 1 for the Allegra and Zysol products. So if you want to pay the Zysol 10 count, those are priced at $8.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. We also have a 1 off 2 for the Pop-Tarts. Those are on sale too for $7. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. And then we have a 3 off 1 for the Tide products. So these are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.95. All right, next up, we have a 4 off 1 for the Tide products. Those are priced at $15.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $11.95. We have Sunkissed. We have a 75 cent off 5 for the Friskies Little Soups. Now those are priced at $1.50 each. And we do have a cashback offer that should work with that. But I also wanted to point out that this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Friskies gravies. So those are a little bit cheaper at $1.35 each. We have a 1 off 2 for the Kellogg's Eggo waffles. These are on sale too for $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. We also have a 3 off 1 for the Zarbee's products. These start out at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We also have Rachel Ray. We have a 1 off 1 for the Cascade products. Now, I believe if you received last week's insert, we have a higher value. I believe it's a 2 off 1. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. All right, and then next up, we have a $4.90 off 2 for the Gain fireworks. These are the 13.4 ounce bottles. So these are on sale too for $15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $10.10 for 2. However, keep in mind we do have some higher value coupons with those 3 off 1 digitals that we received last week. Moving on down, we have 1 off 1 for the Kellogg's Eggo pancakes. Those are priced at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We also have a new 3 off 1 for the Gain Flings. Again, check for those exclusive coupons. 2 off 3 for the Coca-Cola and Sprite. Those are on sale this week. 3 for $15. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $13 for 3. We have a 1 off 1 for the Rexall Band-Aids. And this is also working on the triple antibiotic ointments. Those are priced at $2.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. And then the Band-Aids start out at $2.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25. All right, next up, we received a new Gain coupon. It's 5 off 20 DG store coupon. It doesn't expire until the 29th, and I know a lot of people are going to be really happy to see this on their accounts this morning because the 5 off 20 is just so much easier to work with. We can use it all week long. We don't have to worry about stacking it with the 5 off 25. But I will tell you guys, if you are a new registered person and that's all you have in your area, the 5 off 20 is a lot easier to work with versus the 5 off 30. So I know those Gain deals can be confusing. I'm working on putting together a video for you all going over everything that you need to know about Gain deals and how to get them to work for you. So make sure that y'all stay tuned, but I know that a lot of people are going to be happy to see this on their accounts this morning. Then we have a 5 off 15 for the Snuggle All and Purex products. Really happy to see that one back. This one does expire on the 22nd. We also have a 1 off 1 for the Believe Beauty Cosmetics or nail polishes. So there's a lot that you can pick up with this coupon. The prices start out at $1.25 with the nail polishes and the nail files. So after the coupon, you're going to pay 25 cents. We also have DG Health Naproxen. So if you want to pick up the 24 count, those are priced at $2.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. And then right down here at the bottom, we have a 1 off 1 for the DG Health Sleep Aid. So these start out at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. We have a buy one, get one free coupon on the Purina Prime dog treats. These are priced at $5.50, so you'll pay $5.50 for 2. You can't beat it. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.